Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. First of all, launch your Instagram app in your mobile device. After that, when you reach your Instagram, on the bottom right corner, there's your profile icon. Select that. And after that, on the top right corner, there's a 3-line icon. Tap on the 3-line icon and scroll all the way to the bottom. If you cannot find the broadcast channel option, and simply select help and select the report a problem, and on the bottom you could see the report problem without shaking option. Select that and select include and continue, and briefly explain what has happened. So simply type down I cannot find the broadcast and tap on the send on the top right corner, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.